Someone DM'd me and asked if I could make a video on how to text split. For example, in one cell, there's John Smith and an email address. And the desired result is John Smith separated and the email address front part. So what I can do is that I can use text before to extract everything before the @ sign. So text before, and this is the text, and the delimiter is the @ sign. And now I got everything before the @ sign. And from here, we can split the text using TEXTSPLIT. So I wrap this with TEXTSPLIT. And this is the text that I want to split. So comma. And because there's more than one delimiter, so I'll use the curly braces. And the first delimiter is a space between John and Smith, comma. And the next delimiter is a space and an angle bracket between Smith and the email address. So like this. And now I got everything separated nicely. Alright, so this method is only applicable if the first name and last name only have one space. For example, if you got the name that has more than one space, then you'll get more than 3 columns. So if this kind of name, then you might need a different approach. So this video was requested by one of you. I thought it might be helpful, so I made this. If you got anything that you would like me to cover or you would like to learn, definitely comment down below and I'll try my best to do it as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye.